Hello everyone! In this video, I want to show you this control unit for impact engraving machines used on granite and marble. This is especially good news for those who want to build such machines themselves, either for personal use or even for commercial production, but don't know where to start or how to achieve high-quality engraving. So, finally, we're announcing the release of these control units for everyone. You don't need to buy a full machine anymore. You can build it yourself and simply purchase this controller from us. As you can see, it already supports a micro SD card. Let me show you. Here it is. You can also use a USB drive since the controller has a USB port as well. Just insert the storage device, open it, and you'll find ready-to-use engraving files. Also, if you watched our previous video, you probably already know that you don't have to manually copy files to the flash drive every time. You can leave it inside the controller and upload files directly via Wi-Fi using our software. The antenna is right here, but if you don't need Wi-Fi, you can simply remove it. So, that's it. These are the control units. If you're interested, contact us via WhatsApp or Telegram. We'll answer everyone and provide full details. Get your controller and start building your own engraving machines.